Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 1 GK class. Again I am repeating now I am conducting now class 1 GK class. Today we will start from a new topic. Okay. So everybody open page number 46. Pattern power. Again I am repeating, everybody open page number 46. So first we'll see how will we do this. Okay. So everybody will follow that there is a triangle. Look at the pattern carefully. What will be next? Then reverse, then again normal, then reverse, then again what it will be? A normal triangle. Like circle, there is a dot. Like from the dot is just now the up. Now it's at the right hand side, then it is the down, then it is left hand side. So what will be next? Up. Then see the box, cross 0 cross, again diagonally cross 0 cross. From first it left to right, then it came like left. First the box is come from left hand side to right hand side. Second time it has come again from left hand side to right hand side, but from different direction. Again it has come from left hand side to right hand side direction. Again it will change its direction. Same things, the arrow. So I will send the picture through in the Telegram. Follow the pictures. Okay, sequence, same thing you will do by yourself. Try to do by yourself the sequence A, B, C. Tick the correct option to complete the sequence. Like see, A, there is a sequence. B, there is another sequence, and C, there is another sequence. So tick the correct option to complete the sequence. What it should be, you will do that option. Okay, so that is the correct option. Thus you will do it. Same number 2, same number 3. Okay, if these topics I will send by the option, like by the through the Telegram you will get these answers. Then come to shapes, page number 48. See, there are, read out the shapes: circle, triangle, cone, diamond, rectangle, square. The shape of the clown's cap is like a, yes, triangle. Shape of the wheel is like a circle. Shape of mountain is like a triangle. The shape of a kite is a, what it should be? A kite, diamond. The shape of 100 rupees note is like a rectangle. The shape of handkerchiefs is like a square. The shape of a coin is like a circle. The shape of a blackboard is like a rectangle. The shape of an eyeball is like a circle. Okay. The shape of the blackboard is, sometimes it looks like square also. Okay. It depends upon the shape what it will be. The shape of the television is like a, definitely television is like a rectangular shape. Now come to the mixed bag, page number 49. The sun shines during the day. The sky seems green or blue, blue. Rabbit eat rice or carrots, carrots. Fire is cold or hot, hot. The florist says flowers or fruit, flowers. The metro is an underground train or bus, train. The rhinoceros has trunk or horn. What it has? Horn or a trunk. What it should be? The rhinoceros. Have you ever visit to the zoo? Have you ever seen the dinosaurs? Anybody has seen the rhinoceros? How many of you seen the rhinoceros? Can you tell me the rhinoceros? Yes, we all saw the rhinoceros. Now it has horn, definitely not trunk. Elephant has the trunk. Okay. Then the Ganga is a city or river, river. The Varanasi is in UP or Bihar. Varanasi is in UP. Virat Kohli is a player, football player or cricketer? Definitely a cricketer. We all know his names. And next, the number fun. I will send the picture up to 49. Everybody do it in your book and complete. And if you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. So wait for the next class. Next class we will discuss the next few pages. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.